Okay then, another festive dish for you, and this time it's a drink, and I've called it Stormtrooper Eggnog, and you'll see why at the end. I'm making this one for myself for 2 servings, but in the description I'll put it down for 4 because it's easier. So for 4 servings you need 50 grams of caster sugar, granulated sugar will do, 4 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 can of condensed milk, that's why I'm making it for 4 so you can use a whole can, and 100 ml of the spirit of your choice. Brandy, rum, whiskey, vodka. I use spiced rum for this. This is not recommended for pregnant ladies, and leave out the alcohol if you want the virgin version. Okay, here we go then. It really is simple. It's so simple I forgot to put the sugar in the ingredients photograph. Oh dear. Dissolve the sugar in 75 ml of hot water and allow it to cool to form a syrup. I put mine in the fridge and it was cold enough in half an hour. Separate the eggs. We're only going to use the yolks, so save the whites for making something else like a meringue. Now what I'm doing with the tweezers here, sometimes the yolks have a very heavy sack on them and they can make dishes smell or taste a bit eggy, especially sponges. So what I was doing, I was just trying to fish out the sack, the membrane, but there wasn't one there, so it's right. Add the condensed milk to the eggs. If you're making this for 4 people and using the whole tin, believe me, it would be much quicker to take the lid off rather than poke some holes in it. Add the vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Give it a bit of a mix up. And because I did my sugary syrupy water in a jug, I just poured the eggy mix into the jug and stirred it well. Add your alcohol of choice and chill it in the fridge for about 2 hours. And there we are, a Stormtrooper glass. I'll tell you what, it's a very decorative glass, but it's a devil to wash. This will keep in the fridge for 24 hours if you can last that long. I grated a bit of fresh nutmeg over mine, very tasty, and I plonked in one of those chopped up Mikado sticks. Again, very tasty. That's it then guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Look after yourselves and have a very Merry Christmas.
Well, here we go.
A very Merry Christmas. Oh, I love this.
Mm.